hapong ito, lubos ang aming ligaya. Lahat na nandirito'y mukha anong saya. Tayo'y nagtipon-tipon para sa isang programa. Tinawag na pagtatapos ng mga eskwela. Ako, si Cyril, na piling magsalita, na magpapasalamat sa buong madla. Aking inumpisahan sa paraang patala upang kayo ay mabigyan ng tuwa. Alam kong mahirap magsalita, lalo na't ako'y hindi pa masyadong bihasa. Subalit kakayanin ko ng buong kusa upang ako'y hindi mapahiya. Sa aming mga pinipitagang mga bisita sa hapon na ito, Madam Rodine C. Praxidio, Teacher 1 ng Malinaw National High School. Sa butihing Principal 2 ng Honop Elementary School at kasalukuyang Division Office Representative, Ma'am Medalya B. Canyo. Sa aming masigasig na Alumni President, Police Lieutenant Colonel Robert M. Capus. Sa mga masisipag na miyembro ng Barangay Council na pinamumulaan ni Kapitan Rodolfo Bucay, mga aktibong General PDA officers na pinamumulaan ni Ginoong Alfredo Cascabel Jr., minamahal naming mga guro, mga magulang, kapwa ko nagtapos, friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon sa lahat. We consider this day as the greatest day in our lives, for we are celebrating the success and fruitful end of our elementary education. Not only this, but we are looking forward for the new chapter of our school life, the secondary education. I know that all of us have mixed feelings, but this is the time to rejoice, for we are able to finish and accomplish something that we can be proud of. I remember those years when I was getting started schooling. I felt so shy. I was a transferee in grade 1, so I know nothing. I was very nervous to talk to anyone, so I just sat down at the back. But as years go by, I overcome this fear. I started to mingle with my classmates, and I finally found new friends. I now felt comfortable and kept on playing with them. Years had passed. I felt so sad during the pandemic years. I stayed at home and I missed my friends a lot. Then that was the time I realized that we need friends as a person. There's a saying that no man is an island. We cannot live by ourselves. I tried my best to cope up everything. I studied very well and I never quit up to this moment of my life as a Grade 6 awardee internationally and locally. So at this moment, I cannot just walk away without thanking those people behind my success. First of all, to our Almighty God for the gift of life, to my loving parents for the wholehearted support they had given to me, to my mentors, my teachers from kindergarten to grade 6, ma'am and sirs, I owe you a lot. You molded me as a strong person willing to fight the battle in my studies. A special mention to my coaches, Ma'am Connie Pago and Ma'am Amelia Carillo. Thank you. To my classmates and friends, thank you for being part of my childhood days. I will treasure and cherish the memories we've shared together. I hope that we will never forget each other. To our alma mater, Labnig Elementary School, my big salute to you. I am so proud of you. To all of you, thank you and congratulations to all of us. Ito po muli si Princess Cyril B. Sinea muling nagpapaalam sa lahat ng nakamit natin sa buhay, maliit man o malaki, gawin itong inspirasyon at ipagmalaki. Isipin ay positibo, hindi ang negatibo, upang umasenso at maging mabuting tao. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, thank you so much, Princess Sarah Selena.
What a privilege to have a distinguished guest speaker with us today. May